Hello everyone, it's Hanny. Do you see all these scraps, painty scraps? I have lots of more scraps, but these are only the painted ones from the jelly plate and smash down paint or whatever. I'm going to make a journal with it. Yes, I'm going to make a journal from scraps. I'm going to glue scraps on paper and maybe some, well, this is paper, well, I don't know what I did with this. This is a piece of watercolor paper, but I can use it as a paper of its own, and well, maybe I have a few more. But I'm going to glue them on pages and I will sew them into a journal. Wish me luck. When I'm ready with the journal or with the pages, I'm not sure when, but I'll be back. See you soon. I'm back. And we are a few days later now. I made a bunch of journal pages of signatures for a journal. I want to make a journal of it. But I'm not going to do that now because I like to work on loose pages. Not in a journal, but just the way it is. Like this, and when the pages are done, I will bind a journal with it. And I just think that I'm leaving this the way it is, and that I'm just binding it, and that's the journal. So no cover on it, just bind it in a way, in like so, so you can see the stitch. And in this little journal, well, I have hard covers too, but then I'm going to do nothing on it. So this is the journal. Oh yeah, there is going to be a back, of course, I think. No, I can do it another way. Well, no, I will do it this way. Just plain signatures. I want to show you what I've done. One signature has 3 pages of 3 sheets with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 pages. I'm going to show you well, this was just a piece of watercolor paper, and I just, well, tried something on it I didn't like, but I think I can use that as a background. So here, no scraps, but on this side I did some scraps. Here a little page. I like the heart this way, so I left it that way. Here are a few scraps, and these are scraps. And this was a whole page. I glued some deli paper on it with stamps, so I love it this way, so I leave it. And on this side I did scraps, so that's one signature. This is the second one. I did leave it this way. Here are a few scraps around, and this was, well, what it was. This was a jelly print, and here I used scraps, and this one scraps and scraps. That was number 2. Number 3. This was just a jelly print. Well, I leave it this way. This was a jelly print too, with crinkled or crackled pages. I left it this way, and these are scraps. And this is a jelly print. Left it this way, and these are scraps. That's signature number 3 and number 4. And maybe I'm going to make some more. I have a bunch of scraps left, so I can make some more, but well, I didn't use up all the scraps. Well, this is the 4th signature. Oh, this one is not dry yet. Don't know what it was. I have it for ages, but like it this way. And these are scraps. Jelly print. And scraps. Yeah. And this, well, I have no idea. Left it this way. Could do some scraps on it, but well, I didn't. And this side is scraps. So that's it. My scrap journal. That's number 4. So I'm going to journal in it, draw, paint, write, whatever. And I put something on here, I think. And when I'm ready with the pages, I will bind it. I will do something around it. I will search something. So I found a piece of yarn. Just simple. What is this? Well, don't know. And I will wrap that around it. So like so. And that's my journal for now. Thank you for watching. Bye.